Hello, this is Take. Today I'm making a Mount Fuji shaped kaki pudding using perfectly ripe Japanese persimmons. Before we start, where do kakis actually come from? There are several theories about their origin, but kaki seeds have been excavated from Jomon and Yayoi period sites, showing that Japanese people have been enjoying kaki since ancient times. There are two main types, astringent and sweet. A naturally sweet, non-astringent variety unique to Japan was discovered in 2014 in the mountain of Ozenji Temple in Kanagawa Prefecture. There was the Zenjimaru Kaki. Later, this variety was cultivated and brought to Europe by the Portuguese in the 16th century. From there, it spread to America and other parts of the world. Because of this, the fruit became known internationally by its Japanese name kaki. In English, we say persimmon, but that usually refers to the American persimmon, which is different species from the Japanese kaki. Kaki pudding. When you have a big harvest of kakis, it can be hard to eat them all before they soften. So today, I'm turning them into a simple and delicious pudding. Kaki contains a dietary fiber called pectin, which naturally gathers when it reacts with calcium. Our calcium source from pudding will be milk. First, peel the kakis. Each one weight about 90 to 130 grams. Next, measure the sweetness. After setting the device to 0 with a control sample, I measured the mashed kaki juice. The Brix level was 16, which is on the high end for persimmons, nice and sweet. Blend the kaki and whole milk thoroughly. Use milk equally to half the weight of the kaki. Since calcium is essential for the gelling process, whole milk works best. Here, what it looks like. As expected, a few kaki fiber remain. Now chop some kaki into 1 to 2 cm pieces and place them in a cup. Pour the blended mixture over them, then chill in the refrigerator. It will set in a few hours, but I left mine overnight. When it's firm, gently mold the pudding on a plate. It's nicely set and hold its shape. I added a spoonful of yuzu jam on top for the refreshing citrus aroma, and it's done. The pudding on its own had a mild soft texture, but when you eat it together with the kaki chunks, you get much more flavor and pleasant bite. It's a great way to enjoy the natural taste of the fruit. This recipe uses one whole kaki to make one pudding. Eating a whole persimmon at once can feel like a lot, but as a pudding, it goes down so easily.
Wow!
Give it a try. It's simple, refreshing, and delicious. If you love Japanese food, history, travel in Japan, or science-based back to cooking tips, make sure to subscribe for more videos.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
ありがとうございます。Enjoy cooking!